Recessions aren't something you wait out, they're something you prepare for. And the good news? You can start today, no matter where you are financially. Welcome back to Budget and Beyond, where we turn financial stress into financial confidence. In this video, I'll show you exact steps to recession-proof your money in 2025, plus mindset affirmations to keep you grounded and powerful. Before anything else, build a small emergency buffer, $500 to $1,000. This isn't your full emergency fund, it's your shock absorber, car repair, medical copay, job cutback. This stops you from going deeper into debt. I am prepared. I can handle the unexpected. These are expenses you don't need, but pay for anyway. Subscriptions, unused apps, food delivery, impulse buys. Cut just $50, $100 a month, and that becomes your recession buffer. Every dollar I keep strengthens my future. Recession-proofing isn't only about saving, it's about earning. Ask for extra hours, pick up freelance work, or learn one skill that increases your income. Small increases matter. Money flows to me because I create value. Once your mini buffer is set, aim for 1 to 3 months of expenses. Build it slowly, $25, $50, $100 at a time. Recession survival isn't about speed, it's about consistency. I am building stability one step at a time. In a recession, the most powerful thing you can have is optionality. Update your resume. Reconnect with old coworkers. Take free trainings. Your network is your security blanket. I am capable, adaptable, and ready for new opportunities. You don't need fear to navigate a recession, you need a plan. Start small, stay consistent, and build confidence along the way. Comment below, what's one step you'll take this week to recession-proof your finances, and subscribe for more practical money tips that keep you in control.